Imagine this. You wake up, and your AI has already read all your emails, prioritized your tasks, replied to your boss, booked your meetings. No, this is not the future. This is already happening. Welcome back to ProdPanda AI, the place where we make complex topics simple. Welcome to ProdPanda AI, where we simplify product management with AI. Most people think AI is just ChatGPT. You ask, it answers. Done. But AI agents are different. They don't just respond, they act. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is your advisor. It gives great advice. But an AI agent, that's your employee. One gives suggestions. The other gets things done. It's the difference between a high-priced consultant who tells you what to do and a dedicated contributor who actually ships the work. Which one would you rather have? Here's how an AI agent works its magic. First, it perceives. It sees the data. Then it thinks. It decides the best way to reach your goal. Next, it takes action. It actually executes. And finally, it learns from the feedback to do better next time. And then repeats this loop forever. It's like having an intern who never sleeps, never complains, and keeps improving every single second. Imagine that kind of relentless productivity in your team. There are different levels to this evolution. Basic agents are like a thermostat. Pure reaction. Too hot? Turn the AC on. They don't think, they just respond. Smarter agents remember context, like, last time this failed, don't repeat it. Goal-based agents can plan an entire route to your office, avoiding traffic automatically. Utility agents balance trade-offs, like finding the fastest but cheapest flight. And learning agents? They analyze their own mistakes to fix them. They're basically self-improving machines. Basically, AI agents evolve from dumb to smart to dangerous. And by dangerous, we mean powerful enough to fundamentally change how you work. Let's be real. As a product manager, you're drowning in data, endless meetings, and conflicting feedback. It's a never-ending cycle of administration. But AI agents are here to save you. They can summarize 10,000 user reviews, plan your entire sprint, and even simulate user decisions before you launch. Basically, they remove 80% of your busy work. This means you can finally stop playing catch-up and start leading. That's a huge win for Ramesh and for you. You can finally focus on high-value strategy, not low-value administration. Aditi is already seeing the benefits: more time building, less time guessing. But here's the scary part. AI agents can also get manipulated, follow wrong instructions, and make bad decisions at scale. It's not all rainbows and bamboo. Imagine an agent getting hacked through prompt injection and ordering 1,000 toasters instead of booking your flight. The risk is real, and it happens at lightning speed. As a PM, you are the final guardrail. You can't just set it and forget it. You must understand the vulnerabilities and verify every critical action to stay safe. So here's the truth. AI agents won't replace you. But PMs using AI agents will replace those who don't. The goal is not automation. It's augmentation. We use agents to amplify our human judgment, not to replace it. Together, we're better. The future PM is an orchestrator of AI agents, defining the mission and setting the goals. That's the new standard. Follow ProdPanda AI, because the future of product management is already here and we're just getting started. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve, because product management doesn't have to be complicated. See you in the next episode.